Hello, welcome to StanfordiS everybody. So today is the day when we are going to learn the next part of lesson number 4, which is very important for you all because I know you are excited to learn today. So let's learn it today. Before I go for the topic, why don't you click on this subscribe button and subscribe my channel? Because if you subscribe only, then you are going to get all the notifications of all the lessons, all the topics on your mobile phone very first. So please subscribe this channel and then move on. So this is the channel, this is the name of my channel where you are learning, and I hope you are appreciating and you are accepting things. So my number is not visible, so I'm showing my number. If you want to take admission, please WhatsApp me on this number. Please don't call, only WhatsApp, because every day many students are there who are calling and I'm not able to receive call because I need to respond everyone whoever is excited and want to learn very first. So let's go for this. And next thing, very important, I want to suggest you all, please participate in group discussion, because discussion is very important. If you'll not participate in discussion, how will you learn speaking part? Your speaking part will be untouched, and this is not solution of learning language, because we are working here on everything. You know that we are working on reading, writing, listening and speaking, because all four are very important tool or very important part of learning. So today our topic, very easy topic, very technical and twisting topic. So it's before I talk about the topic, why don't you describe it? So concept of younger, older, junior, senior and same age group. We will go through all these concept, all this terminology to understand better, to use these words better in our conversation, in our writing and speaking. So my question, very first question for you all, that is, what is the difference between younger and older? What is the difference? Please stop the video here and think for 2 minutes. What is the difference? If you got any answer, please take a piece of paper and pen and write over there that what is the difference between younger and older. I hope you are getting my point, right? I hope you paused the video and you discussed or you wrote on the paper. So let's understand what is the difference. So let's read it. Pause the video here and read the content which I already mentioned here. Both older and elder describe someone or something with a higher age in comparison. Basically they can both be the opposite of younger. So what is the thing? Your older or elder, they are something like synonym. You can use at the same place. If you want to use elder brother, he's my elder brother, he's my older brother, both the sentences are correct. If you have a younger brother, he's my younger brother, he's my elder brother. I hope you are seeing my face and seeing my hand movement. Elder brother, younger brother. I hope you are getting the point. You can say elder brother, older brother, both are same in terms of meaning. Okay, so let's understand by an example. Suppose that, please pause the video and read it once. Suppose that, let's say a woman has two sons. One 15 years old, second 18 years old. 15 and 18. So 15 is younger and 18 is older or elder. I hope you understood. So suppose that in 15 and 18 I am 17 years old. Suppose that if I am 17 years old, so 18-year-old person is elder than me or older than me, and 15-year-old person is younger than me. He'll call me bhaiya, something like that, right? Big bro, something. I hope you understood by this example. Now second question, second concept, very important, which we should learn in terms of professional learning, because these two words are very much familiar and very much in use if you are going for professional talk, if you are going for any conversation between you and your teacher, between you and your senior, between you and your boss. So at that moment you need to learn, you need to know what is the basic difference between junior and senior. So please write on a piece of paper, pause the video here and write what is the difference between junior and senior. I hope you're getting what is the difference between senior and junior. I hope you're getting the point because I'm showing everything, I'm showing very clearly. If you'll notice on my hand movement, you can understand senior and junior. I hope you're getting the point. So let's move on my answer if you have not done. So let's read it once. So here, let's understand what is the concept of junior and senior in terms in the USA or United States. A junior student, sorry, here, a junior is a student to primarily using third year, senior is a student last year, fourth year. So if in terms of education, if I talk, if you are in fourth year, I'm in third year, then I'm your junior and you are my senior. If you are in 12th class, I'm in 10th class, then I'm your junior and you are my senior. If you are in 10th class, I'm in graduation, then I'm your senior, you are my junior. Okay, so in terms of teacher and student, I'm a teacher, you're my student. So here, as per the profession, as per the post or designation, I can say my student, you are student, so you are junior and I'm senior because I'm your teacher. I hope you understand. If you are 50 years old, doesn't matter. In terms of junior senior, age doesn't matter. There only your post designation education matter a lot. So let's have a look. I already shared here. So what is the criteria of making difference in junior and senior? Very first thing, your education or class. In which class you are studying, or in which what is your education level? You are matriculation person, or you have done only 10th, or you have done only 12th. So that is also one criteria. Second thing, your experience. Suppose that I am teaching for last 2 years. So I am sorry, if my suppose my colleague was just Shubham. So Shubham was teaching for last 2 years, but I am teaching for last 5 years. So I have 5 years of experience, but my friend has only 2 years of experience. So he is junior and I'm senior. Now my boss, who is my boss? Suppose that now let's have a look on designation, posts. Now I am a teacher, and if I am teaching in a school, then I am a teacher and my headmaster or principal, he will become senior and I'll be junior over there because of designation and post. I hope you are getting the point of junior and senior. If you have doubt, ask me in comment section. Don't be in doubt. What is same age group? Very easy topic, very easy point. So why don't you write on a piece of paper by pausing the video that what is same age group? Read the question and write on a piece of paper what is the answer of this question. What is same age group? What is same age group? If you are getting the answer, please write on a piece of paper right now. Why don't you write? Write it. So let's have a look. So a group of people who are in the same age or similar age. So what is the concept actually? If you are 10 years old, 12, 11, 10, 9, 5, if there is a group of people in a class who are studying in the same class, suppose that, and if there is a difference of only 1 or 2 years, then they all are called of same age group. It doesn't mean that same age group means all should be of 20 years old. It is not like that. Or it is not like that everyone should be of 10 years old, then they'll be called as same age group. It is not like that. If you are in the same age group, means there can be 1 or 2 years of difference, that's okay, but not more than 2 years of difference, not more than 2. So please subscribe this channel and don't forget to share with your friend who really want to learn, because I'm teaching free of cost. Also, you know very well, I'm not charging anyone single rupee who are learning between 9 to 10 in evening. So now it's time for Hindi. So यहाँ पे मुझे हिंदी बोलना है कुछ बच्चों के लिए जो हो सकता है ना समझे हों, तो उनके लिए सबसे पहली चीज़ कि यंगर और ओल्डर में फ़र्क क्या है, अंतर क्या है। तो यंगर उसको कहते हैं जो छोटा होता है, ओल्डर और एल्डर उसको कहते हैं जो बड़ा होता है। बड़े भाई बहन को हम ओल्डर एल्डर कह सकते हैं। ओल्डर एल्डर जो है सेम वर्ड है, आप ओल्डर भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो, एल्डर भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो, कोई ग्रामेटिकली आपको गलत नहीं कह सकता अगर आपने ओल्डर की जगह एल्डर, एल्डर की जगह ओल्डर यूज़ किया है। ओल्डर एल्डर को आपस में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, पर यंगर जो होगा वो छोटे के लिए इस्तेमाल होगा। मेरे हिसाब से आपको समझ में आ रहा है। ये एक एग्जांपल मैंने दिया, एक औरत है, उनको 2 बच्चे हैं, 15 साल के, 18 साल के। तो ये एग्जांपल था, समझाया है, इंग्लिश में समझ में आया ही होगा। जूनियर सीनियर का कॉन्सेप्ट जो होता है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि अगर आप आगे प्रोफेशनली स्ट्रांग होना चाहते हो, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में एंटर करना चाहते हो, तो उस दौरान आपका जूनियर और सीनियर का कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत मैटर करेगा। इसलिए मैटर करेगा क्योंकि आपको एक बॉस से बात करनी होगी, टीचर से बात करना होगा, वहाँ बहुत सारे डेजिग्नेशंस होते हैं, पोस्ट्स होता है जहाँ पे बात करते हैं। जूनियर उसको करते हैं, देखो जूनियर सीनियर का कॉन्सेप्ट ना 3 पॉइंट्स होते हैं, 3 तरीके से किसी को जूनियर और सीनियर डिसाइड करते हैं। पहला होता है किसी की शिक्षा, क्लास क्लास या एजुकेशन। दूसरा होगा एक्सपीरियंस, कि 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, 2 4 साल का एक्सपीरियंस, 5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस, उस पर मैटर करेगा। तीसरा है डेजिग्नेशन, कोई टीचर है, कोई प्रिंसिपल है, जो टीचर होगा तो वो जूनियर कहलाएगा, जो प्रिंसिपल है तो वो सीनियर कहलाएगा। अगर किसी को 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है वो जूनियर हो जाएगा, क्योंकि अगले को 5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है। सपोज है 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस मुझे है, किसी को 1 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, तो वो 1 साल वाला जूनियर हो जाएगा, मैं वहाँ पे सीनियर हो जाऊंगा। पर मुझसे आधे साल भी, अगर 6 महीने का भी कोई ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है किसी के पास, तो वो सीनियर होगा हो जाएगा मुझसे। आप अगर 12th क्लास में हो, कोई 10th क्लास में हो, तो आप 12th क्लास के बच्चे जो होंगे वो सीनियर हो जाएगा 10th क्लास से। ठीक है, उम्मीद है आपको समझ में आया होगा। तो इसी को हम आज रात को डिस्कस करेंगे। आप इसको पढ़ लो, समझ लो, और मुझे बताओ आज आपके लिए जो क्वेश्चन है, होमवर्क है, व्हाट डिड यू लर्न इन दिस वीडियो, व्हाट डिड यू लर्न इन दिस वीडियो। प्लीज मेक अ प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ 1 minute, डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर इट, एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। बाय बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो।